look like a dog owner? Well, I am. I love her to death, even though she hates me at times. And this is just a little reminder. Go outside and go play with your friends. Also, I hope you're having a wonderful day or night. And you are all beautiful and all handsome if you're a boy. Thank you. Bye. Peace.